Hello, guys. Welcome to Balazo. So today we have with us Abhiram. Abhiram, I will not ask you that how are you because I know that you must be sad and angry at the same moment because Arsenal didn't perform very good in the semi-final second leg against Villarreal, and so it is like a very sad day for an Arsenal fan. So what went wrong in the second leg? What do you want to say about that?
I'd like to start. That game was probably the darkest day as an Arsenal fan for me. I mean, we've had humiliations before, but this one it hit different. I mean, we just had to score one goal, and we had to keep a clean sheet in order to progress to the finals. And the way the team performed left me heartbroken. I'll be honest. I saw the team news and I was pretty excited. I mean, first point, there was no Xhaka, and there were two creative midfielders, and also there was Aubameyang starting and Tierney was back. So the team news got me so excited, and I was super confident. Which prior to the game I was not, but after seeing the lineups, then I was pretty confident that this should do the job. I mean, the job was simple: one goal and keep a clean sheet. But after watching the first 15 minutes, I knew because I watched out of previous performances, and that performance resembled the same. I mean, we couldn't really attack them. We looked so scared. That was one point I would like to stress. We were so poor, and we didn't let uh, ourselves control the game. I mean, they didn't apply that much pressure, but in spite of all that, we couldn't get grip of the game.
Actually, I saw one video of a fan, I think Troops, and he was getting very angry because Michael Arteta actually substitute Aubameyang with I think Willian. So he was like getting very angry and he was like breaking things near him, whichever present there. So like, do you think that this substitute was not good? Because I didn't saw the match, but I saw the reaction of fans getting angry that Willian is coming in and Aubameyang was going off as Aubameyang was like shooting at the goal. And what do you think about the
Yeah,
substitution? Yeah.
I agree with him because I agree with Troops. I mean,
Hmm.
because this was our biggest game of our season. I mean, we had to win this no matter what. And I agree because Aubameyang he's come back from malaria. He's been diagnosed with malaria, so he's come back. But still, there were 10 minutes left in the game. He just hit the post. I mean, he could have scored. He could have easily scored if not for the other central defense. They applied pressure. He couldn't score, and he hit the post. And the next thing I see, he takes him off. I mean, I was really, I was so angry as well. I mean, I couldn't understand the reason being. You the league is finished as well. I mean, there's no important game left in the Premier League as well. So you could rest him for that game. But taking off him just before he hit the bar prior to that, and that was, I couldn't understand the tactical reason behind it. He could have taken somebody else. I mean, he could have taken Bellerin off, some defender or some midfielder he could have taken off and brought in Willian. But I don't think that's probably his inexperience. I mean, he's an experience showed there.
So now, like we all know that Arsenal is like out of all the major tournaments, and they are not in the race for the top four position in the league also. So now I think there are 4 games left for Arsenal to play in the league. So what about those games? What do you think that Arsenal should do in those 4 games?
Yeah, personally, if I was Mikel Arteta,
Hmm.
I would give all the youngsters a chance. I mean, 4 games left. There's nothing to win. There's nothing to lose. And I don't even know which position we are in. Probably ninth or 10th. I don't even care right now. We're out of Europe. We're out of the whole Champions League race. We're out of Europa League. No cup competitions left. I want Arteta to give the youngsters a chance because he's trusted a lot of the experienced players, and they have let him down time and again. And now I want to see a few youngsters given more opportunities, and I want to see a proper rebuild in terms of clearing out few players. There are a lot of players who actually don't deserve to start for Arsenal, but I don't know why Arteta keeps playing them. I don't like to call players names. I mean, there are quite a few players. There are
Yeah.
quite a few players who actually don't deserve. But out of respect, I don't want to pick names. But still, the youngsters, they are not a part of this. But I want him to give more chance to the youngsters.